Maybe you need Word for school, Excel for work, or you just want PowerPoint and the other apps on your PC. Today I'll show you how to get the full Microsoft Office 2024 suite on Windows 10 or Windows 11 for free. We're not using cracks or risky activation tools. No malware, no suspicious downloads. I'll show you a simple and safe method that actually works, using official Microsoft sources. By the end of this video you'll have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and all the new Office 2024 features running smoothly on your computer. So make sure to follow each step carefully. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First, if you already have any version of Microsoft Office installed, remove it to avoid conflicts. Open Settings on your PC. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Office in the list and uninstall it completely. Now we'll download the files we need. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click the official Microsoft link from Microsoft's website. Select your language and download the tool. Next, open a new tab and search for Office Customization Tool. This is where we'll set up how Office will install. Choose your system type, either 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on what your computer supports. Then in the Office Suite section, select Office Professional Plus 2024. Scroll down to the list of Office apps. If you don't need some apps like Access or Publisher, turn them off to save storage and time during installation. Choose your language, for example, English United States. Scroll down and click on Last section. Again, scroll a little bit and click Finish. Now click Export. Choose Office Open XML formats and click OK. Accept the terms and click Export. Finally, both files are downloaded. Now let's organize these files. Go to your Downloads folder and copy both files you just downloaded. Then open your C drive and create a new folder named Office 2024. Paste the files into that folder. Open the setup.exe file. Accept the agreement and click Continue. When it asks where to extract the files, select the same Office 2024 folder in your C drive. The tool will extract more files into that folder. Now look at the top of the folder where the files are located. Right-click the address bar and copy the full folder path. Next, we'll run a few commands. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. First type cd followed by a space, then paste the folder path you copied, and press Enter. This command opens the folder through Command Prompt. You can also find these commands in the video description if you need help. Now type the second command that appears on your screen. This command will start downloading and installing Microsoft Office 2024 automatically. The installation may take some time depending on your internet speed and computer performance, so sit back and relax. And while you're waiting, please like the video and subscribe to support my channel. Once the installation reaches 100%, Office 2024 will be fully installed on your PC. Open Microsoft Word or any other Office app to confirm everything is working. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.